Welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show how to fix controller not working. Follow my steps. First step: disconnect and reconnect controller. And restart your PC. If that didn't work, go to Steam. If you don't have Steam, download it. Non-Steam users, add game to the Steam. Click Add a game. Click Add a non-Steam game. Select your problematic game. Add selected programs. Program added. Click Steam. Click Settings. Click Controller. Click General Controller Settings. Select your controller type. And select your detected controller. Click Identify. And calibrate controller. Close window. Click OK. Try launching the game. If that didn't work, click Big Picture mode. Go to the library. Select your problematic game. Click Manage Game. Click Controller Options. Steam input per game settings. Try forced off or forced on. OK. And try launching the game. If that didn't work, only Steam games. Right-click your problematic game and click Properties. Click Controller. Disable Steam input. And try launching the game. If that didn't work, right-click your problematic game and click Properties. Click Controller. Try Enable Steam input. And try launching the game. If that didn't work, download softwares. PS Controller, DS for Windows. Xbox Controller, Xbox Accessories. Link in the description. Problem solved. Like and subscribe.